Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this home theater. This home theater is from Sony, and as you can see the image of the actual home theater is on the box. You will get a subwoofer and 4 satellite speakers. At here they have given 80-watt output, Bluetooth, USB playback and wireless remote, stereo input, and at the other side you will get other information like MRP and what's inside the box. The MRP is little bit more, you will find it less on online sites like Flipkart and Amazon. And there is nothing more. Let me unbox it. Okay, now I have unboxed the home theater, and as you can see I got a subwoofer, and these are the buttons. All this is the USB port, this is the main start button, and these are the function keys to select TV, USB or Bluetooth. With that you will get a remote control, an 18-watt AC adapter and 4 satellite speakers. And one thing, that the satellite speakers can only be used with this subwoofer only, because they come with a special connectivity, and only these 4 speakers you can use with this headphones, because this headphones only has 4 ports. Let me show you. As you can see, this box has all connectivities. This is for power, this is the aux cable port, and down here are the 4 ports for speaker connectivity. You will not able to add any more speakers. You have to use the speakers which have came with the subwoofer, and some paperwork. This is the information of the service center, user manual, and warranty information, or you can say warranty card, and that's all. Okay, now I have made the setup and connected the speakers with the subwoofer, and as you can see I have turned them on, and I am going to use the USB drive. You can see I have inserted my pen drive and select the USB. Let's play. And that was the quick sound test. The home theater is good, the quality of the sound and the bass is really good, but one thing, that the subwoofer didn't come with any bass controller, and that's the only problem. And that's all about the video. Thanks for watching.